Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Essential Speaks Messages Gypsy Witch Tarot. First, Namaste. This session is for Sushant Singh Rajput. My prayers for him. Also, I have already done 4 sessions regarding his situation, his prediction, whatever he wanted to say through the spiritual realm, through other world. Okay. Now today's session is going to be the highest of all energy consumed actually. And yesterday I had the vision. I was meditating for him and it came through. I asked from all the elements so that I can focus on his energy. What is that he wanted to say? I actually asked, how are you in this current situation, knowing that whatever is happening, people are taking stand for you throughout the globe, which is a very good job, commendable job, because there's union I can see, and this kind of thing never ever happened. It's a huge platform which is so important for him. Okay, so obviously he was murdered, so we want justice, and cases connected with him, they will also receive justice now. Now let's start with the session. So I asked him, how are you? And I kind of I saw water. How I can explain you? I'll explain you in the best possible way. I asked that, how are you? I saw first water was coming over me and I was unable to breathe because I was in that water energy. And then I saw him, his image. I don't know how it is connected because I earlier also picked that he returned from the waters. I don't know why the water is connected somehow to him. Something happened along with all the other things that happened with him, including this water energy. I also feel that it was his trial, because in one of my sessions I saw that it was his last approach to reach, and then he went inside. No, now I want to say also, there was one comment. I know I'm going a little bit haywire, but there was one comment in which someone said that why you are disturbed. He was innocent child. Of course he was innocent. He is innocent. That is why I got disturbed. My disturbance is for the cause that he should get justice. We all are fighting for that, and we are going to fight for that through any source, any level that we can do. The thing that I can do, I am doing. And personally also, I'm putting the hashtags, whatever we can actually, to unite. And I've done a lot of posts regarding him. Now this is not, it has nothing to do with kind of like highlight or something. Some people said that too, but I know what my purpose is, so I'm going to continue with that. I want that truth shall come out. Now today I'm going to release this today because I'm sitting today and doing this reading today. The reason behind it is, today the news update was Supreme Court, recording time 0333, and I talked about triple threes in one of the Sushant sessions. Supreme Court releases that now the case will be handled by CBI, which is the greatest success for the startup of this case. Now our lawyers will fight for that. This is an update to you if you're not updated, because I know many of you are already updated. Everyone is going through their notifications and news. Okay, now we'll get into your reading, the reading of Sushant Singh. I kind of saw the white eyes. Now, don't take it as that way. Oh, she saw it. No, those eyes were trying to say something because they were underwater. So while I was underwater, I couldn't breathe. It is very difficult. People who will align with this energy, they'll understand that how our energy is being kind of drained in that process when we are focusing for some vibe from the spirit world to connect. Okay, so when I was there, I couldn't breathe. There were tears in my eyes were closed. If I open my eyes during that session, they will not show, so I cannot open, and I was not opening it. My tears, because I was lying and I was focusing, my tears were rolling down right from there, And I was like, no, I have to focus, I have to show me. So I saw him. Now I asked from the tarot deck, this Rider Waite I'll use. Why? I want specific answer direct. Okay, so one card flipped, which actually came out. People who align with my energies, they know it. And I saw white eyes, that those were saying, like, kind of like, I want justice, and I am emotionally drained in that realm, and I was cornered emotionally, I was being trapped emotionally. Do you understand that? This, when there's a lot of water, someone was unable to come out of that scenario. Also, I do feel that something has to do with this water energy, water, not energy element or sign, I'm not talking water energy, literally water element. Something, maybe I was trying to say that, it was too early to let me lose, too early to let me go, because autopsy was not done in proper format. But I asked him, now, what do you wanted to say? I saw his eyes, I cried, my tears were there, and then I stopped. I stopped and opened the eyes, and I decided to take out cards from the tarot. And then one card came out. Your card is Ace of Swords. Do you know what that means? The truth shall come out. Ace of Swords is something that will come out of the waters. If you have seen other tarot decks, in some tarot decks, there is this sword that is coming out of waters. I saw water. Okay? He knew it that this day will be written. Ace of Swords is final signatures. It is about some kind of judgment, something connected with justice. That is what we are talking about. That is what we are trying to fight for, the sake of the love that we hold for this person, Sushant. Okay, so Ace of Cups, he knew it that the love people hold for me, the truth will come out. This is about petition, this is about standing for the truth, this is about the truth coming out. It's also someone who is deciding. So declaration of this, that it's going to CBI, is the ultimate, this is the start of an ultimate decision that SC gave, Supreme Court gave, which is very good, because now truth will come out. That is what we are in the need of. My energy is going so, I'm so warm right now that I can actually feel. Okay, now listen, that was the answer. I also said in one of my sessions that there is number 5 I'm seeing. Also in one of the readings I said number 6. Why I said all those things, I will put the video so that you can watch it. If it is resonating, you feel that, because many of them said that it is going on, it is the way you said. Maybe this is my purpose. Okay, now what do I want? I want to see that what's going to happen further in his case and connected cases. Also, maybe he wanted to say through this, because he was in waters, he wanted to say that I was very much emotionally connected with some kind of thing here, document. Maybe this is also connected, because when we talk about, in written something, document, signature, this is also coming true, signature being forged. Now the cases will be there, and I'm really happy that it's going to happen. I'm really happy, because I'm hurt, and not just me, everyone around. That's why you're going to okay, I have to calm my energies down so that I can talk to you. Yes, I'm angry, I'm hurt, I'm so angry on them. Now listen to me, the final prediction here, maybe I'll continue doing more whenever the call is, because we cannot do it just because we should do it. We do it because when they want it and when the call is there. So it's not about, oh, because the sessions are going on, I should do it 6, 7, 15, no. This thing doesn't work that way. If they want it. Yesterday I was so disturbed again, now again disturbed, because I am concerned for Sushant. Now he's not there in this world though, but we still are fighting. I know I've spoken a lot, and maybe some of you don't want to hear it, but those are my emotions as well. I have this platform so to speak something. I don't have any other platform to go and speak about him. So let's talk about now. Now the biggest prediction, the divination I can do about Sushant, and not just this, it's about Bollywood. It's about Mumbai, okay? Because we are talking about that. We are revolving around that energy. I saw big jar, okay? Now what does that mean? Big jar, and in that I saw black clouds. Black clouds were there in the jar, and that was like this. The lid was like this. Do you understand that? Big, powerful people, people in authority. And I said in many of my readings right from June or May, suppose, I don't even remember that. I talked in many of my general readings also. It's not about only Sushant. I said in my readings that the place where riches are there, where scandals are there, where empires are there, it's going to fall. It's going to fall, falling off an empire. Big empires, big organizations will fall. Means it's a big scandal that will open up. Remember these words that I'm saying. Also, the jar, black clouds in, means powerful people, the black side, the dark side of the Bollywood, Mumbai, everything that is connected with this case and everything, the culprits. I see here the jar, and in the jar they're going to get caught. This is the biggest prediction I'm doing here on my channel. And you will see that coming true. The big names in the jar. Do you understand? The jar is the cage. It's the bars. So it is about the people. Lot of energies are going to come in this jar. Means they are going to be entangled. Okay? CBI is here. Then this is such going that way with the vision. This is going to be the highest of scandals, empires, riches, celebrities fall. Okay. That's how it is coming, very sure, from the other world. You call it parallel dimension, other dimension, other world, spiritual realm, howsoever. Recording time 12:12. Mark my words today. It's going to happen. Now we'll see. And if you see very close, this Ace of Swords is fights against the emperors kind of energy. People who dominate. Okay? Those who are wearing that crown, it's going to be out from their throne. So it's like thrown out of the throne. Thrown out of the throne. Now listen. I'm going to use this Witch's Tarot. Please ignore the sounds. It's Witch's Tarot. We'll see what's coming for this case, for him. For me, he's still here. Share this video and connected videos because I want, and someone even said that share it on Twitter. Listen, I'm not on Twitter, okay? I don't know if I ever will come, I don't know, but I'm not on Twitter. I don't like Twitter. I don't know, I don't like such lot of entanglements. I don't like personally, so I keep it simple. So if you are there, if you want it, because they said that you need exposure more, like such kind of video, obviously, so you may share it because people need to see it to get little bit of this happiness connected, that yes, it is going on track. So if you want to share it, I see the fish will come on top to take, what is that, to take, to save, to take oxygen, to breathe basically. The fish will come on top to breathe now. Do you know what I'm talking about? Fish is connected with the riches. Fish is connected with that they always remain in water. And fish is connected with waters. As I said, the fish will come on top because the truth will come on top. They are not going to survive. They have to come in. And I see the biggest possible handcuffing. The loads and loads of those black clouds were there, and I also kind of feel like there's going to be heavy clouds, heavy rain when something major will happen connected with this case. May it be handcuffing, may it be whatever is going on right now, the judgment. This is going to be the biggest ever scandal opening. Okay, the card that came. Your card is like this, and I talk it the way they come and intuitive as well. Okay, so the card is coming here, Jack of Wands energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, but I'm not talking about his signs because I'm only talking about his energy and his surrounding energies. This is order, but the order is coming reverse. Do you understand this? The orders will go in the reverse form the way they never thought of. Who? People in power. People who thought that this will never happen will happen. The order that I'm talking about is the fall of an empire. Do you understand that? I know that you do. Okay. The order denotes honor and recognition of labor, a sure sign of business success. Now, apart from this, what it is trying to say, the order that was being like a wheel and it was going on from a very long time, it's going to be reversed. So there's going to be the U-turn for the order that's being followed. The order is also the order of the court. The order is also the CBI branch. They will do the justice now. They will inquire about, okay, which is so important. And the order is whatever someone thought that something will go in this format, this will not go in the format now anymore. So everything is messed up for people who are in order and they thought that things will go according to them. That will not go now. Okay, so the order is coming like that, reverse. They'll try very much now. Listen to me. They will try everything so that things come in order, but things will not come in order. Trust me on this. The coming time is about the orders will fall, and people who are taking orders from them, whomsoever they are, they will not be in position. They won't be taking orders. And this is also general rule, people circling, people living here. So the mass here, MASS, the order is not going to be the way they want it ever. So the order is falling. It's the change in the system. It's coming reversed. It's the change in the system. It's not going to be anymore the same. So, and this is 8 of Hearts energy. All those hearts broken. Everything that is messed up here. And here the cats are fighting actually. The cat indicates flattery, foretells personal injury, and it denotes strife. Do you understand that? The order is coming reverse. What is the feature of this, the case and all connected with this is that something will reverse itself. It will not be followed the way it is. The empires will be falling, the scandals will be opening, the system will be changing, and when the system will be changing, there's going to be this strife between the cats. Okay? It also says personal injury. So, it is connected with the injuries they're causing or they'll cause or they will tend to cause. So, to keep them in order, it is very important to take some stern steps here. Whomsoever they are, whatever they are, we'll see more what's going to happen. I think that he is seeing, he is watching with the deep eyes. When I looked at, to those white eyes, they were very, very much hurt. They were angry also. Okay? He was hurt because of the system. He was angry because he couldn't do anything, and that he fought, but he couldn't. Because he was alone. He was alone and people were more there. Okay, so you're getting these cards and I'll talk about them. 3 of Pentacles. Now the 3 of Pentacles is also connected with the money safe. Money safe, that's a vault, okay? The money safe indicates riches. I talked about riches. It shut side, if shut side is towards the person, it denotes losses by speculation. Do you understand now? This particular, the vault, this money safe basically is near this person. Someone will open up their mouth and a lot of will open their mouth, and that's how, someone is immature here, I think, and someone in haste did some things that's going against them. Now listen to me, 3 of Pentacles is collaboration in works as well. It's about other person's money. It's about opening their safe. It's about taking their papers and documents and all the stuff here. And when it is connected with this side here, it means that there are speculations. Okay? How it goes towards that. Now, I'm all into this energy right now. I don't even know, I mean, what's going on my expressions. But I'm talking to you. Huh? Do you see this? First card was this. This is a person. Nearby this safe means their eyes were on. It's going on top of something and their eyes were on the someone's safe, someone's document, someone's idea. This can go for patent. This can go for a lot of amount of money. This can go for amount of money someone was working from last 3 years. Possible this could be some project in collaboration. This can also be connected with something. Number 3 here I'm talking about. 3. Recording time was also earlier. 0333. You can check by symbolism. There are also angel numbers there. If you are interested in such scenarios and you have faith in this, you can go check by that. 3. Number 3 can say a lot of things here. It's a group of people. More than 2 means business. Proposals as well. Possible it's being denied or possible it's being taken away. The bottom energy. 10 of Swords energy. Now 10 of Swords, when you look in Rider-Waite Tarot, it's a man is lying and there are so many swords at the back. Someone backstabbed them. In real life also stabbed them. Yes, someone who was murdered. Now with this it's coming the rod, okay? It's like a, if you look closely, it's like a hunter kind of, the leash kind of, the the hunter kind of thing. And the broom is removing all the evidences. Broom is clearing the stuff, cleaning the stuff. It's about shifting the stuff as well, right from the case. Is something there which is still hidden. The rod near predicts family quarrels, distant pecuniary losses. So loss, yes, of course. Everything went. Family quarrels, distant. Someone who was emotionally, being cornered. Distance with the family. Yes, everything happened. He was bought in such a shape, the shape he was not even in. He was not that kind of person. Do you understand this? Also, what's going to happen, because we are reading the future of this. It's about every truth will come out. Big vaults will open. Okay? Documents will come out. Things will turn up in front of the order, in front of this, the court, the CBI. And the money indicates riches. This was done for a lot for money as well also. Money laundering cases here. Now listen to me. Every money will be collected. This is collection of the money, whatever was lost. Also the speculations, those are happening. Now, because it indicates riches, people with riches are involved here. They'll try to give money and overcome something, but they won't be able to, because the order is reversed, because it's not in their favor anymore. Something is not in their favor anymore and they are going to be caught. The culprits are here. Now, they will try to broom it away. They tried. They will try the power and the broom. They will try to what's that? When someone uses that hunter kind of, they charge. They want things to happen their way. And now it will not happen, because the broom is coming. Broom is coming for cleaning. Broom is coming for changing. Okay? So now they cannot escape. Now I just want one more card, and then we'll ask that from other deck, what is that he want us to know, because this is the way we can know what he want us to convey. Like, okay, so you are getting King of Cups energy, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces here, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Maybe some people were connected with him who were having these signs. Now we are talking about energies, but this hand in hand is coming reversed. Okay, someone who betrayed them, obviously. So hand in hand indicates confiding disposition when in close proximity to certain numbers, and we don't have those numbers. Friendship will warm into love when near number 45. It's not there. Near 45. Yes, it's number 45 is here in first row. I do it in a different way, but today I'll continue doing in such a way. When it's number near 45, though it's not, because in the center it's coming the volt, I feel like something, yes, of course, hand in hand is also marriage and all. So when near 45, favor will be found with superiors, near financial success, near certain number. So 48 is also there. Okay, now this is coming reversed here. Now do you understand this? It was planned. Now someone planned the love, someone went in someone's life, friendship grew stronger, and everything was in betrayal. Hand in hand was betrayed Basically, if it was like this, it was good to go, but it's not, because it's coming reverse, which is also saying that it's for the world. So it's about financial success. Someone was those uh, having those false ill feeling of evil feeling of getting something of someone. I kind of feel like someone was implanted there. I mean, as a person, emotional. Okay, someone did this warming of the friendship, but it's going like this. Okay, now listen to me. In the coming time, you will come to know that whatever this hand in hand was, because it's man and woman holding hands, or some kind of collaboration, because he never agreed on something, he was being betrayed, he was being murdered, he was being killed, because he was not following the order of someone in power. Listen to me very carefully. Now here, because hand in hand is coming reverse, means he got betrayal in love as well. Also in the coming time, we are asking for what's the future. So you're going to come to know about this handshake, this girl exactly, and many more people, energies, why they did emotional betrayal to this. They will accept everything. Okay, this is pressure. Under pressure, they're going to accept everything. And this is giving me the energy of obviously him. So in the bottom, these are the birds. And Ace of Pentacles. Ace of Pentacles is some new project he was working on. Something connected with his patent, something connected with his signature, something he was planning to do. And he was planning to do possible in the startup of this 2020, but something went wrong because of the pandemic. Okay, so things got delayed. But he had the plan when the year started, right from January 2020. Ace of Pentacles is saying when the year starts and the year ahead. Okay, but happened pandemic, delays, and then the birds. The birds signify dire misfortune and fierce enemies when near. Do you understand this? He was not in good company. He never knew what handshakes he was having, because he was very true. He was innocent. He was not even aware what someone is doing through the world. Everything will come in front of you in the coming time, when the notifications will be coming to you, when the the lawyers will be fighting, and they're going to update, and the news channels will update you. I may take the names of news channel Aaj Tak, Rajat Sharma ji, and Arnab Goswami. Okay, he's doing everything, and others are doing many other channels. News reader Mr. Chaudhary. Okay, so they are all doing their best, and they're going to bring news for you. I am, as a reader, bringing this in front of you. I really want that things should go right. Okay, so the birds signify dire misfortune. Also, listen to me, this was about hand in hand is confiding. What does that mean? You end up confiding to someone because you trust, and they betrayed. Okay, so everything will be very clear to you. I do feel there's kind of like an installment there. So fierce enemies, if far away from the person, with number 7, 16, 12, 22. So there is no 7, there is no, okay, there are no such numbers. Between a chance to avert the evil spell. So here I feel like it's near, there were fierce enemies around him, and that's why this tragic thing happened. I'll use this deck here. The end of that emperor. I don't know who that emperor is. Someone who is in power. Someone people listen to over there in that particular area. I kind of feel like it's going to end. I'm telling you. The truths will be coming out a lot. Now we'll ask that what is that SSR wanted to say through the vision. What is that he wanted to say? He showed me the water. Is something connected with water? Okay, listen to me. I'll go one by one. This card flipped. And he is an Aquarius. And this card flipped. Now, do you understand this? Yes, King of Swords. Particular male energy. This deck is Gothic Tarot, which is right from the other realms. He's there. He's watching. He's looking. So he wants to say that I I'm watching and I'm here till the time justice is done. So he's looking at on all the things. And if you see very closely, I was not even aware, his eyes are white here because they are from other realms. Okay? Kind of energy. King of Swords. He's King of Swords. I kind of feel that when he is there, with all due honor and love to him, he is getting guidance from all the realms. The way we say, from the angel realms and from the dark realms. And that is why whole globe, whole earth is getting, uncomfortable. Everyone is getting uncomfortable. So why they are getting uncomfortable? Because he is speaking through everyone. Okay. Now these cards are coming like this, and they are here because while shuffle they come like this. So this is a death card. He's going through transition. Death card is reversed. What he is trying to say? This death was not his will. He was given this death. So it's a murder. Everyone is aware. Everyone knows it. As a reader, I shouldn't get emotional. Is that if it's a statement or term there, that I'm sorry, but I do get emotional. Okay? Just because I'm on camera, I cannot have tears, I cannot cry. It doesn't matter. I don't think that way. You understand this? Death card is reversed. He never wanted this. But now he is saying from the other side that I want the end of this. End of that the future should not bring such cases. He is saying, first is, it was not my will. I never did this. I was not in for suicide. I was being murdered. Death was planned. It was done to me. Okay? Because he had big plans of transitioning and changes. He was a big changer. Like he was interested in big changes basically. Now with this, he want plus, means he want peace for himself. Also, he want some things to end. Maybe that's what I talked about in all the things. Okay? Something was snatched from him. Death is coming reversed. So he's watching. Now, 9 of Pentacles is also coming reversed here. Means whatever was his, it was taken. It's also connected with someone's independence, money, everything. It was taken. Maybe they thought that once it's done, they'll take it, and they took it. I kind of feel like it's 9 of Pentacles coming with independent money or something. Whatever was his independent work, his patent, everything. It's connected with this. 6 of Swords. He's saying that he wanted to have big plans of movement, but they all were stopped. 6 of Swords. With the 6 of Wands energy, he fought, but he couldn't win. With the 6, especially I talked in one of my readings, 6 energies were coming, but in coming second, third, I think fourth one, I said that there will be more than 6 energies, more. In one of the, if you go and check, because I've done already the sessions, I talked about 5 basic energies. I said like this. No, I said like this, 5 and 6 energies I talked about. And he's talking about 6 energies. Possibly he fought against 6 energies in one go. Whatever happened with him personally. 5 of Swords. So here 6 and 5, both energies are coming. And with the 5 of Swords, do you see this? This energy is sitting, you have to see it. The energy is sitting with a clown face, and someone's head is on here. Means someone took someone's position. Someone wanted someone's things. Lying, betraying, money, position. Throne. This is a throne, and this is a king's. Just focus this. It's a king's head. Betrayed. Someone betrayed nearby, close, and they walked up and they threw the person away from what was theirs. They all are coming reversed. So heavy betrayal here. Okay, someone who couldn't let them win. So he wants us to know that don't let the cheaters, go away. Let me see. It's also some black energy. Black kind of people who think evil. Black clouds. I was talking about the jar. Again, I talked in one of my readings about the skull. So there is the skull as well. The skull on top. Here. Okay. Throne, power, position, lie, betrayal. People who draw line. He wanted to win over such situations. He wanted to stop them. This is about big money projects. Okay. This is about the choice he had. But he was at cross. Two of Wands. They left no choice for him to go. Now this is the longest session that I have done. Listen to it. If you get any kind of satisfaction here, because after listening in the morning that CBI news, I was little relaxed that now things are in right hand. Justice for SSR. Take care. Bye.